Tell the chef hurry. Tell the chef, yeah. Tell the chef hurry. Tell the chef hurry. Tell the chef, yeah. Tell the chef.
Yeah, my boy chef there. And you know a thing come down there. Some rice and peas and chicken we are sort out today. Yeah, you know people. When you hear the voice, you know what time a cracker strike. See peas there. Have it a soak from morning. See chicken here. Soaking like protein, season it from morning. That's some rice and peas and chicken a day. And I bad chef attack. See fire there I got catch now. Stay tuned. What is that? See here? Come in now and come look over. You have this already. See it ugly? I clean it up and make it look pretty. So I grate it rather grate it. See it here? Some threaded. You can listen. Oh, babe. What is that? See? Quick it get clean. Alright, what a great tight now. You see what I say?
use the feet.
Yeah, people, come and see what one piece. Water bubble. Water bubble. Alright then. Alright then. So peas up on the fire. I'll clean up that scallion here. Clean up that scallion here. And throw it in a pot with the pepper and the thyme, isn't it, sir? Alright then. Yeah, see it here. Coconut powder. You have one of them there use already, so you are going. Yeah, bust. I use that one here. When I done there use already. About half, about half. Now I've left in that. So what is that? I use this and this. So I use all of this and some of this. See right there. So watch it and throw it in a pot. So I'll mix up the coconut powder first. What? Yeah. So I use about half a water. So look now with the coconut powder in there and thing. Wash your rice and throw it in there now. So back again. So you are going. Wash your rice. £2 you know, I got to the bad stuff. Yeah. Come in. Go look how I gone. Alright, so planning. Mix it round up, see that? Come and see where rice reach now, people. See where it reach now. Alright. It don't look bad. Alright, let's see what happens. Yeah, so that bag over rice that and everything has been done. Load. Feed people. Alright, dip on the verge now. Over here, so we have over here. Like chicken, this we have over here, so yeah. Alright. Yeah, I listen. Got it. Look where I go on. Alright. Fry it after now, you know? on it and get the fire out. You see what I say? So it can fry. Feet. Come look now, man. If it simmer down, you know? Yeah, final product. Rich and nice. Yeah, man, rich and nice. Final product. Wait till it. Yeah, people. I eat this, you know? Yeah, man. Rice and peas and chicken and some raw veg, you know. I eat this, people. But chef at all.
Feel them that know the days with no meal. If I not join, I feel them that know the days with no meal. If I not join.